Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Microsoft Publisher document to Word document. So to convert those, you have three primary methods depending on the complexity of your document. So we will go first uh, through the simplest one. So this is directly as a Word document. So we will save this directly as a Word document. So if you have Microsoft Publisher installed, you can export the text directly into a Word format. So what you need to do is open up your Publisher, go to the Files at the top left corner, then Save As. So Save As, like here, and then choose a safe location and click Browse. I will go like that, then Download, like so. And in the Save as Type drop-down menu, select Word document. So right here, you will select Word document and click Save. This method is excellent for preserving text but may struggle with complex layout image or overlapping text boxes. Then second method is, as I mentioned, that the Publisher and Word handle objects differently. So if you're saving as PDF and then opening that PDF in Word, often yields a more accurate layout. So in Publisher, go to Files as before and then Save As, and select right here Save as a Type PDF, like that. Okay, and hit Save. Okay, so I need to make the correction right now because I think I saved somewhere that I don't know where. So like that. Okay, hit Download PDF and Save. Now if I open Word document like that, and I go here to Files at the top left, Open, Browse, and I will find it right here in the Downloads, Open. It will take a little bit of time. Okay. And like that, I have now this in Word document. And the third method is basically the same. If we select all of this, oops, so if we select all of this, Control C, and we go to the Word document, break page, and right here, if I copy this, I will get this thing right here. So these are three methods that you can use. The last one is copy, but for me, I think the best way is save directly as a Word document or with PDF bridge. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.